Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. Today, my topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is one of the most important topic in our future education. In intermediate, in degree, as well as in engineering also, trigonometry is very most important, powerful role. So, be careful about trigonometry. I will give easy way in my own method. Okay, so this trigonometry chapter is related to right angle triangle only. First remember this point. Trigonometry chapter is related to right angle triangle only. Right angle triangle. Already you know about right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, if one angle is 90 degrees, then it is called right angle triangle. In this triangle, here I am writing A, B, C. The angle B is 90 degrees. So this is called right angle triangle. Let here the angle be theta. Once again I am telling, trigonometric chapter is completely related to right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, here angle B is 90 degrees. The side which is opposite to B, 90 degrees, is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. And the side opposite to this angle is called opposite side to theta. Theta opposite side. Here this is adjacent side, this side is. So this is adjacent side to theta. In right angle triangle, you have to know this terminology. If we take angle here, this is called adjacent side, this is opposite, so this is called opposite side. The 90 degrees, the side which is 90 degrees, opposite to 90 degrees is called always hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the side which is opposite to 90 degrees. So this is the regarding right angle triangle. So generally trigonometric ratios are 6. Trigonometric ratios are 6. They are sine, second one, cosine, third one, tangent, fourth one, cosecant, fifth one, secant, and the last one is cotangent. These are the original names of trigonometric ratios. After, during some gap, this sine is called simply sin, sine. This cosine is called simply cos, whereas tangent is called tan. Cosecant is called cosec. Otherwise, recently this is also minimized as csc theta. Cosecant is, this is cosecant. Cosecant is written as cosec, and recently this is csc theta. Secant, this is simply sec, sec, secant. Cotangent means simply we will write cot cot. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Generally these are 6, but we know the first 3. The remaining 3 are quite opposite to first 3. So sine is inversely proportional to cosecant theta. Cos is inversely proportional to secant theta. Tan is inversely proportional to cot theta. So what I am saying, if you know the first 3, automatically remaining 3 will come. This is one of the most important point. No bother about here 6 are there, in which manner we can remember all these things, that is not necessary. If you know these first three, automatically remaining three will easily you can remember. So first I am telling about sin theta. Sin, here angle is theta. Sin theta is the ratio of opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. And second one is cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, whereas tan theta is equal to opposite side, simply I am writing to by adjacent side. If you know these three, automatically these three will come. So once again I am telling, sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. You have to remember these three very seriously, very interestingly. Next, fourth one, cosecant theta is equal to, just I already told you, this is inverse of sin theta. Inverse means quite opposite. So cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is by reciprocaling sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse by opposite side. This is cosecant theta. In the same way, secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So secant is reciprocal of cos theta. Reciprocal means 1 by reversing the number. So that is equal to cos theta. Where is cos theta? Here. So we have to reverse this one. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. The last one is cotangent theta. Cot theta is inverse of sin theta. That is 1 by tan theta. Sorry. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So that is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. So if you know the first three, automatically remaining three will come. You have to learn this one. Cosecant is inverse of sin theta. Secant is inverse of cos theta. Cot theta is inverse of tan theta. If you know these three, these six will come very easily. So sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, whereas tan theta is opposite by adjacent theta. These are the very, very, very important basic knowledge. After that, you have to remember these three. After these three, remaining three will come. Once again, I am writing here. Sin theta is equal to 1 by CSC theta, cosecant theta. So that is sin theta division. Here it will come into. If any number is crossing is equal to, the symbol will be opposite to the present symbol. Here say cosecant theta is division. So it will become in multiplication. So sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. This is one of the important formula, one of the identity. In the same way, cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Third one, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. You have to remember these three. And also first thing, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is opposite side to by adjacent side. One more, three identities are there. If you know those three, then almost trigonometric formulas are over. What are the three means? Trigonometric identities. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third one, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. You have to remember these three. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Remember one, this is only the angle. Here what angle is there? Here also same angle should be there. Here angle sin square 30 degrees, here cos square 45 degrees means that is not correct. That is not belongs to this formula. Here what angle is there? Here also same angle should be there. Here if here 30 degrees is there, here also 30 degrees. Then only this formula is applicable. Otherwise it is not suitable. So these are the three identities. If you know this one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, then we can frame another two formulas also. What are they? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This cos square theta will go that side. And also in the same way, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. In the same way here also, another two will come. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, whereas tan square theta is equal to, this one will come this side, that is secant square theta minus 1. Here also in the same way, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So these are the formulas. And here last one is, one table is there, angle table is there. If you know that angle table, this entire basic formulas and everything is came. So after this I will divide it. Next I will tell the table, angle table. After that, this chapter is dividing most probably into four models. I will tell one by one after that. So this is the, up to here we have to learn. Okay? Thank you.